Welcome to Invest in Africa channel. Today we're diving into the lucrative world of olive oil cold pressing and oil extraction in Africa. Specifically, we'll explore the machinery involved, packaging strategies, and how you can turn this into a profitable business venture on the continent. Don't forget to subscribe and also contact me on WhatsApp for more information on how to purchase different machines today. Firstly, let's talk about the heart of this operation, the oil press extraction machines. In recent years, advancements in technology have revolutionized this process. From extracting oil from sunflower, soybean, groundnut, to coconut and various multi-seeds, modern oil mill expeller machines have made it easier than ever to produce high-quality oil efficiently. These machines are designed to ensure maximum oil yield while maintaining the purity and nutritional value of the oil. They utilize cold pressing techniques, which involve minimal heat, preserving the delicate flavors and nutrients of the oil. Now, let's talk about packaging strategies. In today's market, presentation is key. Consumers are not only looking for high-quality oil, but also for aesthetically pleasing packaging that stands out on the shelves. Consider investing in attractive labels, eco-friendly packaging materials, and unique bottle shapes to differentiate your product from competitors. Remember, the packaging is the first thing customers see, so make sure it reflects the quality of your oil. But how can you make money with this business in Africa? Well, the continent's growing population, coupled with increasing health consciousness, presents a massive opportunity for olive oil producers. By tapping into this demand and offering high-quality, locally produced oil, you can carve out a profitable niche for your business. Additionally, consider diversifying your product range to include specialty oils like avocado or argan oil, which have gained popularity in recent years. I had the chance to speak with Nelson, who runs a successful olive oil processing factory here in Africa. Let's hear what they have to say about their experience in the industry. Our journey in the olive oil business has been incredibly rewarding. By investing in state-of-the-art machinery and focusing on sustainable production practices, we've been able to meet the growing demand for high-quality oil in Africa and beyond. Additionally, building strong partnerships with local farmers has been crucial to our success. Follow along as we outline the step-by-step process to turn your dreams into reality and generate profits in this lucrative industry. Step 1. Market research. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand the demand for olive oil in your target region. Identify potential competitors, assess consumer preferences, and explore distribution channels to gauge market viability. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Craft a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, production processes, and financial projections. This roadmap will serve as your guiding framework and help secure funding from investors or financial institutions. Step 3. Secure funding. Determine the capital required to launch and sustain your olive oil business. Explore financing options such as loans, grants, or partnerships to acquire the necessary funds for purchasing equipment, leasing facilities, and covering operational expenses. Step 4. Source quality ingredients. Establish relationships with local farmers or suppliers to procure high-quality olives for cold pressing. Ensure that your ingredients meet industry standards and adhere to ethical and sustainable sourcing practices. Step 5. Invest in equipment. Acquire state-of-the-art oil extraction machinery capable of cold pressing olives to extract premium quality oil. Research reputable suppliers, compare equipment options, and invest in technology that maximizes efficiency and yield. Step 6. Implement quality control measures. Develop stringent quality control protocols to monitor every stage of the production process, from olive selection to oil extraction and packaging. Ensure that your products meet regulatory standards and exceed customer expectations. Step 7. Establish distribution channels. Identify strategic distribution channels to reach your target market effectively. Explore partnerships with retailers, supermarkets, restaurants, and online platforms to expand your reach and increase sales. Step 8. Create a strong brand identity. Develop a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience and sets your olive oil apart from competitors. Invest in branding, packaging design, and marketing initiatives to build brand awareness and loyalty. Step 9. Implement sales and marketing strategies. Utilize a combination of online and offline marketing tactics to promote your olive oil products. Leverage social media, influencer partnerships, tastings, and events to generate buzz and drive sales. Here are the 3 winning strategies to kickstart your olive oil cold pressing business in Africa. From innovative machinery to effective marketing tactics, let's dive right in. Strategy 1. Cutting-edge machinery. Investing in state-of-the-art cold pressing machines is key to achieving premium quality olive oil. Look for equipment that maximizes extraction efficiency while preserving the integrity of the oil's flavor and nutrients. Consider partnering with reputable manufacturers or suppliers who offer reliable machinery and comprehensive technical support. By prioritizing quality and reliability, you'll ensure consistent production and satisfied customers. Strategy 2. Targeted marketing. To stand out in the competitive olive oil market, you need a robust marketing strategy that resonates with your target audience. Identify your unique selling points, whether it's organic certification, local sourcing, or exceptional taste, and highlight them in your marketing materials. Utilize digital channels like social media and email marketing to reach a broader audience and engage with potential customers. Consider organizing tasting events, collaborating with local chefs, or participating in food festivals to showcase your products and build brand awareness. Strategy 3. Sustainable production practices. Incorporating sustainable practices into your production process not only benefits the environment but also enhances your brand's reputation and appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Explore options such as water recycling, energy-efficient machinery, and waste reduction initiatives to minimize your environmental footprint. By following these steps and leveraging the abundant resources and opportunities available in Africa, you can establish a thriving olive oil cold pressing and extraction business that not only generates profits but also contributes to economic growth and sustainability in the region. There you have it. Insights from a seasoned industry expert. Building a thriving olive oil cold pressing and extraction business in Africa requires a blend of innovation, strategic marketing, and a deep understanding of local dynamics. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more invaluable insights into entrepreneurship in Africa. Contact me via WhatsApp for more info. Until next time.